Going nowhere fast. Understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, going nowhere fast. It might sound a bit contradictory at first. How can you go nowhere and yet do it fast? Stick around as we unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase, making it crystal clear for you. At its core, going nowhere fast is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation or effort that is making no progress or achieving no results, despite a lot of activity or effort. It's a way to emphasize the lack of progress with a touch of irony, since fast usually indicates speed and efficiency. To fully grasp this phrase, let's see it in action through some examples. Imagine someone is running on a treadmill. They are moving quickly, but they're not actually traveling any distance. This is a literal representation of going nowhere fast. Now, think about a project at work where, despite the team's hard work and long hours, there are no signs of advancement. You might say, despite all our efforts, this project is going nowhere fast. These examples show how the phrase can be used both literally and figuratively to describe situations with a lot of activity but no real progress. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it has been a part of English vernacular for quite some time. It is used in both casual and formal contexts, though it tends to be more common in spoken English. Understanding such idiomatic expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and make you sound more like a native speaker. To incorporate this phrase into your English, consider situations where you're discussing projects, efforts, or activities that are unproductive or ineffective. It's a succinct way to express frustration with the lack of progress. For example, I've been trying to learn guitar on my own for months, but I'm going nowhere fast. Understanding idiomatic expressions like going nowhere fast is key to mastering the nuances of the English language. It not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you convey ideas more vividly. We hope this exploration has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.